Alright, so this morning we're looking at prompts, more inputs. I assume that we're going to do something a little different with it, but yeah. So I'm going to make a new file here. It's going to be exercise 11. Exercise 12 actually. Alright, so it says you typed input, you were typing the parentheses characters, which are parentheses characters. This is similar to when you use them to do a format with extra variables, as if the f string of x and y. For input, you can also put in a prompt to show to a person so he knows what type. Now, put a string that you want to put inside. This prompts the user with name. It puts. This is how you ask someone a question and get the answer. This means you can completely rewrite our previous exercise using. Oh, cool. Alright, so this is going to show a simpler way. So I can do age equals input. This is cool. I like this. How old are you? Height equals input. How tall are you? So we string. Let's see. Weight. How much do you weigh? Alright. So now we gotta run this. We're gonna do Python. Hi, how old are you? I'm 31. How tall are you? 6 feet. 30. So you're 31 and 6 feet and weighs 230 pounds. Okay. In the terminal, you would normally run Python 3.6 during strips. Type pydoc input, read what it says. Pydoc input. Okay, just string from a standard input, showing the line is stripped. So read a string from standard input. The trailing line is stripped. Okay. The hot string, if given, is printed to a standard output without a trailing line before reading input. Okay. Alright, so let's see what pydoc does. Let's see. So typing in PyDoc and then a function will tell you what's going on. It gives you the documentation. It's kind of cool. I think I'd rather Google it, but whatever. All right. PyDoc open. Oh wow. Oh cool, so you can do open for writing appending to the end of the file if it exists. Alright. Oops. Why is this on? Why is it on? Interesting. Cool. That's interesting. All right. Well, that was pretty cool. That's the end of that exercise. I like this one better.